Hey guys, I miss you all. Hope everyone is okay. And today I'm gonna show you from my kitchen how we can prepare this beautiful and delicious bread. So as you can see, the bread is so soft and they crunchy from outside. So here we go. I'm gonna show you the bread from inside, how it looks like. Look, it's so soft and so tender. It's so delicious. So you can dip it with the oil, then za'atar, then yummy. Oh god, it's so yummy, so yummy. So let's get started, show you how we can prepare it step by step. So for the ingredients, we need 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, we need 5 cups of flour, we need 2 cups of warm water. I'm using plain flour. So we need 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to put all the ingredients in a mixer. Just add the oil, and I'm going to add the water, and slowly mix it until the dough become ready. Here we go. This is the dough is ready. So now I'm going to make it as a small ball and let it rest for half an hour. Okay. I'm gonna take some flour here. This is enough. Make it like so. Circles, and let it here to rest. Here we go. Now I'm going to cover them and leave them to rest half an hour, and see you after this. Okay, this is after half an hour. So the dough is ready. Okay, here I have some sesame. So I'm gonna add here some sesame seeds. Add a little bit of salt and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix them all together. Okay, that's what I want. Now here I have some oil. I'm gonna add some oil here. On this tray, or you can use a big plate. I'm gonna take dough, put it here, make it like so. Okay, see? Just make it like so, a rectangle. Then fold it, then make it like circle and tie the edge. Perfect. Okay, so after we make it as a circle and we roll it, so as you can see, we have to dip it with the sesame, cover it with the sesame or tap on it. Okay, and now after it's ready, I'm going to let it rest for about half an hour, and later we're going to bake it. Here we have a simple one, and here I have some as well. So I'm going to cover it and let it rest for half an hour and see after this. Okay, this is after 30 minutes. Now they're ready to be baked on 220 in a hot oven. So I'm going to bake them between 10 to 15 minutes and they will be ready. See you after this. Here we go, guys. Finally we have our bread. So as you can see, they look so soft from inside and crunchy from outside. It's so yummy. It's so yummy. It's very good for breakfast and it's so simple. So hope you enjoy. All the ingredients are listed down in the description box if you want to give it a try. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.